Hello, my friends. Ellen here. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen, and happy Mother's Day to all mothers out there. Today, I'm going to share with all y'all a quick drink that'll be perfect for your Mother's Day brunch. The classic mimosa, but with a twist. Using one of my favorite drinks, Seagram's Escapes. I'm using the Jamaican Me Happy, or you can use any flavor. So we're going to add in 2/3 of a cup. I'm just going to eyeball it. All right, and now we're going to add in 1/3 of a cup of sparkling wine, or you can use champagne or Prosecco. Make sure you use a good quality sparkling wine. I'm using the Spumante Andre. All right, my friends, and just that quickly, our mimosa is complete. And there's one more thing we got to add to it. Some fresh fruit. I'm going to add a strawberry, or you can use blueberries or peaches, lemons, whatever your heart desire. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Seagram's Escapes Mimosa. These will definitely be a hit at your Mother's Day brunch. Everybody will love and enjoy these. And I want to thank all y'all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Happy Mother's Day, my friends. Cheers.